Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, in this video I'm going to share a very beautiful, stylish, elegant and decent video of easy to make, super stylish, super cute, 3D stylized patterns of hand embroidery. Guys, this video would give you almost creative and decently stylized patterns of hand embroidery, 50 plus creative, super cute stylized items and ideas and patterns of embroidery have been shared along with a delicate combination of beautiful floral multicolors. So guys, you can design these onto your dresses as an embroidery motif, add an embroidery creativity, and you can look classy and elegant. I would only recommend you that if you are a beginner of hand embroidery and you are in search of very beautiful and creative designs, and you must go with the flow of these design patterns. Simple and basic and beginner-friendly embroidery stitches have been used to make the patterns. Sunflower embroidery is an antique and stylish traditional pattern of hand embroidery that is in touch from the ancient times, like Japanese embroidery, Chinese embroidery, different type of Asian and Western designs are totally based on floral patterns of sunflower embroideries. Some cute, little stylish and artistic up picture embroidery, different type of floral bright colors like yellowish color, mustard shades, some dark shades of denim shades have been used to give more creative and artistic touch to your hand embroidery patterns. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video and leave comments below my video. Kindly mention the name of your country, from which geographical region you belong, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then guys, take care and love you.